11 Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 1st Angle and its measurements. Dear students, we are going to study System of Measurement of Angles. System of Measurement of Angles. There are two types. First, sexagesimal system or degree system. In this system, the unit of measurement of angle is degree. We know that one complete rotation is of 360 degree. Here 1 divided by 360th part of complete one rotation is called 1 degree and is denoted by 1 degree. Also 1 degree divided into 60 part and 1 divided by 60th part of 1 degree is called 1 minute. It is denoted by 1 dash. Also 1 minute divided into 60 parts and 1 divided by 60th part of 1 minute is called 1 second. Is denoted by 1 double dash. Therefore, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Second, circular system or radian measure. In this system, the unit of measurement of an angle is a radian. Suppose consider a circle with center O and radius R. Take 2 points A and B on the circle such that arc AB is equal to the radius. Then, angle subtended at the center is called 1 radian. Let R be the radius of circle with center O. Take 2 points A and B on the circle such that the length of an arc AB is equal to the radius, arc AB equal to R. Then, measure central angle AOB is defined to be 1 radian and is denoted by 1 radian. Definition of 1 radian. 1 radian is a measure of angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Here is 1 radian. Angle subtended at the center by an arc whose length is equal to the radius. Then this angle is 1 radian. Theorem. A radian so defined is independent of the radius of the circle used and pi radian equal to 180 degree. We have to prove 1 radian is independent of radius. Therefore, consider a circle with center O and radius R. Take 2 points A and B on the circle such that arc AB is equal to the radius. Therefore, measure of angle AOB is 1 radian. Produce AO to meet the circle at a point C. Proof. Consider a standard circle with center O and radius R. Center O, radius R. Let A and B are 2 points on the circle such that arc AB equal to R. Take 2 points AB such that arc AB equal to R. Join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. OA and OB is the radius of the circle. Therefore, by definition, angle AOB equal to 1 radian. Here is arc length equal to radius. Therefore, measure of angle AOB is called as 1 radian. Produce AO to meet the circle at C. Here AO produce to meet the circle at the C. This is a straight angle. Therefore, measure of angle AOC equal to 180 degree. We have measures of the angle at the center of circle are proportional to the length of the corresponding arc subtending them. Here, two angles consider. Measure of angle AOB or second straight angle, measure of angle AOC. Then, measure of angle AOB subtends an arc AB. Also, measure of angle AOC subtends an arc ABC. Angles proportional to their arc lengths. Therefore, measure of angle AOB divided by measure of angle AOC. Measure of angle AOB divided by measure of angle AOC is equal to arc AB divided by arc ABC. Measure of angle AOB by definition is 1 radian. Measure of angle AOC straight angle equal to 180 degree equal to arc AB. arc AB is equal to radius of the circle. Therefore, arc AB equal to R. Here is arc ABC. Here is arc ABC. We know that circumference of the circle total is equal to 2 pi r. Here, arc length ABC means we consider semicircle. Therefore, divide circumference by 2. We get arc ABC is 2 pi r divided by 2. And 1 radian divided by 180 degree equal to 2 cancel r divided by pi r. 1 radian divided by 180 degree equal to r cancel 1 divided by pi. Hence 1 degree equal to taking cross multiply with 180 degree equal to 1 divided by pi into 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 1 divided by pi. 180 degree means 2 right angle. 1 right angle is in 90 degree. 2 into 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, take 1 radian equal to 1 divided by pi into 2 right angles. Here 2 right angles are constant. Pi is constant. 1 is a constant. Therefore, 1 radian equal to constant. We have to prove that 1 radius independent of the radius. Here is value of 1 radian. It is not the term of r. Therefore, is independent of radius. 1 radian is a constant independent of r. Hence 1 radian is well defined. Also, pi radian taking cross multiply. Pi radian equal to 2 right angles. 2 right angles equal to 180 degree. Hence radian is a constant angle and 2 right angles equal to 180 degree equal to pi radian. Note, radian measure is independent of the radius of a circle. Consider one example. Consider a circle with center O and radius 2 cm. Take 2 points A and B on the circle such that arc AB equal to 2 cm. Here arc AB is equal to the radius, therefore angle subtended at the center is 1 radian. Also consider another circle with center O and radius 5 cm. Take 2 points A and B on the circle such that arc AB equal to 5 cm equal to radius. Therefore, angle subtended at the center is equal to 1 radian. Here two circles, different radius, but angle is 1 radian. Here is angle is 1 radian. Hence, this 1 radian angle is independent of the radius of circle. Relation between degree measure and radian measure we have 1 radian equal to 1 divided by pi into 2 right angles equal to 1 radian equal to 1 divided by pi. 2 right angles means 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 degree divided by pi. Taking cross multiply, pi radian equal to 180 degree. Also, pi divided by 180 radian equal to 1 degree. Notes. First, to convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply degree measure by pi divided by 180. Second, to convert radian measure into degree measure, multiply radian measure by 180 divided by pi. Third, taking pi equal to 3.14, we have 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Putting the value of pi, simplifying, we get 57.3248 degree. Here fractional degree is given in decimal fraction. It can be converted into minutes and seconds as follows. Here 0.3248 degree equal to. Convert into minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Therefore multiply by 60. 0.3248 into 60 is minute. Simplifying we get 19.488 minute equal to 90 minutes plus 0.488 second multiply by 60 convert into second. Simplifying we get 19 minutes and 29 seconds. Therefore 1 radian equal to 57 degree 19 minutes 27 second 29 second. 4. In the table below, certain degree measures are expressed in terms of radian. Here degree 50 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90, 180, 120 degree, 180, 270, 360 degree. Convert these into radians. We know that For convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply by pi divided by 180. Multiplying and simplifying, we get all the angles in radian. 15 degree equal to pi divided by 15 radian. 30 degree equal to pi by 6 radian. 45 degree equal to pi by 4 radian. 60 degree equal to pi by 3 radian. 90 degree equal to pi by 2 radian. 120 degree equal to 2 pi divided by 3 radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. 270 degree equal to 3 pi divided by 2 radian. 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. Thank you.